Let us look at this question from UTME 1993. It says, which of the following represent saponification reaction? We have reaction of alkanoate with acid, reaction of alkanoate with alcohol, reaction of carboxylic acid with hydroxide, reaction of alkanoate with what? Sodium hydroxide. The answer to this question is reaction of alkanoate with sodium hydroxide. Let me quickly explain the meaning of saponification reaction. Let me explain the meaning of saponification reaction. I said the answer to this question is what? Reaction of alkanoate with sodium hydroxide. Take note of that. Take note of that. Let me quickly explain the meaning of saponification reaction. What is saponification reaction? What is saponification reaction? Saponification reaction is the reaction between fat and oil with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Reaction between fat and oil with what? Sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. What example of fat and oil? We have propane 1, 2, 3 trioctadecanoate. That means the meaning, the fat and oil we are using is what? Propane 1, 2, 3 trioctadecanoate, which can also be known as glyceryl glyceryl stearate. This is the fat and oil that we use to produce what? To produce soap. That means reaction between fat and oil with sodium hydroxide to produce soap. The soap produced is known as octadecanoate or stearate. This is the soap produced. That means the reaction between fat and oil with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide to produce soap is known as saponification. It's known as saponification. And what kind of fat and oil can produce octadecanoate or stearate? That means when you have propane 1, 2, 3 tridecanoate, octadecanoate, or which is known as glyceryl stearate. That means when you have this fat and oil reacting with what? Sodium hydroxide, the kind of soap that we produce is known as what? Octadecanoate. That is saponification reaction. And let me give you the chemical reaction of this. When you have fat and oil reacting with what? Sodium hydroxide. That means you have this C17H35 COOCH2. C17H35 COOCH. Then C17H35 COOCH2. This is known as glyceryl stearate or propane 1, 2, 3 trioctadecanoate. Then when this compound, which is the fat and oil, react with 3 moles of sodium hydroxide, what will be formed? You have 3 moles of sodium hydroxide. 3 moles of sodium hydroxide. 3 moles of sodium hydroxide. This sodium will displace, will replace CH2. This one will replace CH. This one will replace CH2. What are we going to have? We have C17H35 COONA. C17H35 COONA. C17H35 COONA. This is the soap which is known as octadecanoate or stearate. This is the soap that will be produced. Then plus this CH2 we combine with OH. Can we have sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. That means CH2 we combine with OH, CH we combine with this one we combine with this. We have CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is known as propane 1,2,3 triol or glycerol, which is known as glycerol. This is the soap produced. This is the soap. Why this is what? Glycerol, which is used in body as a body cream. Can be used as a body cream. In 2004, there's a question that came out on this also in 2004. The question says the addition of sodium chloride to soap during saponification process is to, the answer to that question is to reduce the solubility of the soap. When concentrated sodium chloride, brine, concentrated sodium chloride. Another name for concentrated sodium chloride is known as brine. When concentrated sodium chloride is added to soap, the function of that concentrated sodium chloride to soap is to reduce the solubility of the soap.